Hello, cuties! Welcome back to Beta Crochet. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful sunflower bun stick. It's a very easy, beginner-friendly project that you can finish in just about 10 minutes. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Once your slip knot is on the hook, hold your bangle and work 50 to single crochet stitches all around it. Keep your yarn strand tucked along the stitches as you go. This saves time because you won't need to sew in loose ends later. Use a stitch marker or a spare thread to keep track of your first stitch. Once you have all 50 to single crochets, close the round with a slip stitch into the very first single crochet. Secure it with one chain, cut your yarn, and pull it through. Now attach your second yarn color to start the petals. Insert your hook into the same space, pull up a loop, and chain 2. Work a double crochet into that same space. In the next stitch, work a triple crochet, chain 2, and work a picot stitch by inserting your hook into the chain loop and slip stitching. Work another triple crochet into that same space. Finally, work a double crochet into the next space. Chain 2 and slip stitch to finish the petal. Continue this pattern all around the bangle until you have a total of 10 petals. And there you have it, a lovely handmade hair accessory. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and comment below with what I should make next. Happy crocheting, cuties!